Here we are at the Spring Hill Suites Marriott in Cincinnati. It's freaking tight. Room 317. Let's take that home.
Hey, what's up? Welcome to the room, Isaac.
Hey.
This is what you call an SUV crib. You know, as we travel, we hit up some really nice and chic place. Come on in.
Okay.
To the Marriott under the sea room.
Wow. So show us around. What do you have here?
Well, first off, you have a little lounge area where you can bring your guests. So you guys can chillax while people are, getting ready, getting dressed. You have a desk over here. You got a little office center where your phone is at. Plug in your laptop. If you can direct your attention here, you got your little kitchenette with your fridge, microwave, coffee maker, but we don't drink coffee.
Right.
We want the cocoa.
Right.
And this is just a beautiful white wall. And that's the next door neighbor.
Hey.
And if you come over here,
Cramps on.
you see the tight beds. Oh my gosh.
Comfy.
You just want to go to bed already. I don't even want to get up. So we have a nice bed.
Wait, we're looking at the design. Did you design it?
Negative. This is designed by Marriott.
Look, you even have your own freaking
SeaWorld.
reading lamp.
That's right. So you can get a tan while you're in bed. Don't forget your flat screen TV right there.
Okay.
And look, not only do we have one bathroom, we have two.
What?
One for me and one for you.
Well, I think there's a difference. Let's take a look.
Okay, go for it.
So this one, hey, is where you take a dump.
Yeah.
No, please don't. The telephone, you can talk, room service.
Excuse me, I'm too busy taking a dump. Can you please bring up some more TP, towels, and some pizza? Thank you very much.
The tile, oh, look at that sink. That is so cool. What? It works. Hey.
Oh, green, blue.
Wait, try close the door. I want to see if it's see-through. OMG.
Is it?
It is.
But that's not where you shower. This is where you shower.
So they're like adjoining, yeah.
Enter.
Ooh. Look at this big mirror. What's up, give you. Look at that.
Hello. It's like a submarine.
So it comes with what? Sea kelp, conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. Nice sink.
I'm telling you, man, we're in SeaWorld. Excuse me, I need some more sea kelp. I need some more seaweed. And
There's a fire.
bring up Ariel while you're at it.
Oh, we got the handicap.
Oh, this is for Isaac, because he can't reach.
Hey.
Just kidding.
Wow.
And it's actually big enough where I can fit. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This is made for Samoans.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I forgot to tell you.
There's a
over
bench.
here. This is the sauna. That's right. You can turn up the heat and you can just sweat in your room.
OMG. Closet.
Wait.
Wow. That's amazing. There's the reading lamp on this bed with the long light fixture.
Now,
Look, each room has its own iHome
yes.
for your iPod.
The best part of this room that makes this hotel unique from all the other hotels is, follow me, not only do you have a Holy Bible by the Gideons, you gotta have your bomb Book of Mormon, baby.
Hey, hey.
That is what I'm talking about. We reppin' the 801 in the whatever area code Cleveland is. But yeah, that's really tight.
Love it. Oh my gosh, these beds are like...
You gotta see who's filming this. Mr. Isaac himself.
Hey, no.
And this, my friend, is how the SUV choir rose.
Yep.
That's right, SUV cribs, baby. Big T out.
Okay, bye.
Aloha.